In 1932, Australia declared war on its own national bird, the emu, in one of history's most bizarre conflicts. Over 20,000 emus, driven by drought, had descended upon the farmlands of Western Australia, devastating wheat crops and infuriating local farmers. In response, the government deployed soldiers armed with 2 Lewis machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition to eradicate the feathered menace. However, the emus proved to be formidable foes, using their incredible speed and erratic movements to easily dodge the gunfire. The birds employed brilliant guerrilla tactics, splitting into small, unmanageable groups, making them nearly impossible targets. After weeks of humiliating failure and with very few casualties on the emu side, the military was forced to withdraw in defeat. The Great Emu War officially ended with the birds as the undisputed victors, proving that sometimes nature simply cannot be beaten.